Hey everyone, this is Alice at AYAO Insurance. You're driving down the freeway and bam, a rock flies up, hits your windshield and cracks it. Immediately you're thinking, does my insurance cover this? Well, the answer is yes if you have comprehensive coverage on your policy. It will cover windshield damage or any glass damage to your car. Your comprehensive coverage comes with a deductible, which is an amount you have to pay before your insurance company will pay. Some companies have policies that offer a $0 deductible when it is for a rock chip repair and only apply deductibles when it's a windshield replacement. Other companies enforce the same deductibles for all comprehensive claims. In addition to glass damage, comprehensive also covers for other damages to the car, including vandalism, fire, falling trees, flood, and many more. Be sure to check with your agent to see if you carry comprehensive coverage on your policy. So the next time that rock hits your glass, you'll know if you're covered or not. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.